Have your legs started feeling weaker, shakier, or just more tired than before? Do stairs feel higher, chairs feel lower, and walking take more effort than it used to? You might think, it's just age. But here's the truth. Weak legs aren't a normal part of getting older. They're your body's alarm bell, warning that your strength, circulation, or nutrients are fading away. Ignore it, and it can lead to falls, loss of independence, even life-threatening complications. But the good news, you can reverse it. Stay with me as we uncover 5 hidden reasons your legs weaken after 60 and how to fix them before it's too late.
Reason number 5. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia. The silent thief that steals your strength little by little. It starts in your 30s, but after 60, it speeds up fast. If your thighs are thinning, calves softening, or you tire after short walks, that's sarcopenia. The good news? You can fight back, starting today.
Begin simple. Do chair squats, leg lifts, or resistance band training just 10 minutes a day. Feed your muscles, eggs, fish, beans, nuts, and keep walking. Even a little movement keeps your legs alive and strong.
Reason number 4. Poor circulation. If your legs feel cold, numb, or crampy, your blood flow might be blocked. Without oxygen, your muscles weaken, and even small cuts can heal slower.
Move your body daily. Walk around the house, take short strolls. Stay hydrated, reduce salt, and give your legs a warm soak or gentle massage. If pain stays, talk to your doctor. Your heart and legs depend on that blood flow.
Reason number 3, nerve damage or peripheral neuropathy. Do your feet tingle, burn, or feel like you're walking on cushions? That's your nerves struggling to send signals, often from diabetes or low B12. When your nerves weaken, your legs lose their balance.
Protect your nerves with the right fuel. B12-rich foods, eggs, milk, greens, salmon. Limit alcohol, watch your blood sugar, and massage your legs gently to wake those nerves again. Your body can heal. Give it the care it's asking for.
Reason number 2. Spinal problems. Your spine controls your leg strength. When a disc slips or a nerve pinches, it sends pain, numbness, or weakness straight down your legs. If one leg feels weaker or pain shoots from back to foot, listen to your spine.
Stretch daily. Gentle yoga poses like knee to chest or seated twists keep your back strong. Avoid long sitting. Use cushions. Move every 30 minutes. A strong spine keeps your legs powerful and pain-free.
Reason number 1. Mineral imbalance. If your legs cramp at night or feel shaky for no reason, you might be low on magnesium or potassium. These minerals fuel your muscles like electricity. Without them, your legs can't work properly.
Replenish them naturally. Eat bananas, spinach, avocados, almonds, and dark chocolate. Stay hydrated, and before bed, try a warm Epsom salt foot bath. It relaxes muscles and prevents painful night cramps.
Your legs are more than muscles. They're your freedom, your confidence, your independence. Start today. Exercise for 5 minutes. Eat for strength. Stay hydrated. Move with purpose. Strong legs, strong life. It's never too late to start.
If this video helped you, tap like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who needs stronger, healthier legs. And comment below which reason surprised you most. Together, let's stay strong for life.